Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting your data ready and creating a figure window. Load your arrays or tables so you can reference X and Y directly. If needed, remove NA-N values and normalize ranges so plots aren't misleading. Next, call figure. CLF to open a fresh canvas and use hold on when plotting multiple series so traces don't overwrite. Once done, set axis labels and a basic title to confirm the data aligns with expectations before plotting commands. Now you execute the plotting commands and refine the display. Use plot X, Y for lines or scatter X, Y for points, choose plotty or y-axis for separate Y scales. Make adjustments to color, marker, line style, and line width to highlight differences. This matters when multiple series compete visually. Then add legend and grid so viewers can interpret trends, set XLim and ILM or use axis tight to frame data. Once plotted, export with Savias or export graphics to preserve resolution and vector quality. Finish by annotating and validating the final graph so it communicates correctly. Use text or annotation to call out points and add a descriptive X label, I label, and title. This improves interpretation. Then export using export graphics or Savias depending on format needs. Set resolution to 300 for publication. If the plot looks wrong, make sure X and Y have matching lengths and no NA-N values. Use whos, size, and isNN to debug. Finally, rerun only the plotting section after fixes to confirm results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.